Like to know that what is your overall experience about the training, about your trainer, how is it going to help you in your career, so that it will help and your videos would be a guide for other people. They would understand what more they can expect from this field and how it would help in their career. Yeah, so please you go ahead with your own thing and you can add on like whatever I have asked.
Hi everyone, my name is Saraswati. I am from Chittoor. I completed my MTech in Sitams College. First of all, I would like to tell thanks to the captain of ship, CEO, Mr. Manish Kumar. My heartfelt thanks to him because he offering this free training to the students, and I would like to tell my thanks to Mr. Arkapudi Gandhi sir because of he's offering his uh, free training in this corona situation. uh, my friend suggested me to join here in Heise Academy. They're offering 3 months of free training for uh, digital marketing and Python, data science, and Java testing, UX and UV, and content writing courses. These all are free of cost. They are offering to the students. Here, students can learn multiple skills. So from home, they can learn. I really thought when I was kid, real heroes are the real heroes. But now I find out this they are the real heroes who is offering this free training now. So we no need to go outside. We can learn from home. Whichever the skill we want to, we can learn from home. And I want to tell thanks to coordinators also. They are supporting well. And my trainer is Neha madam. And sometimes I will join in testing classes also. He is Mr. Harish Kumar. My appreciations to them. My heartfelt thanks to them. And I will suggest to my friends also join here for to the Heis Academy. I really wonder after training also they will provide interview skills, communication skills, and job placements. So like this way, nobody will help students. In this situation, our relatives also will not help us. But Heis Academy doing great job. I never expected I will get help like this.
Yeah, yes.
I will make sure I will try to utilize this great opportunity, and I will learn all the things which are taught by my tutor Neha Singla ma'am. And madam is very cooperative. She delivers amazing classes, and she gives real time examples, and she told us a lot of tools how to use, and how to edit photographs, and how to write contents, and how to post, and all the things she is teaching us like a that I never expected I will get expert like this as my professor. And this corona situation I never believe, still I'm not believing. This is a great opportunity to all students.
Yeah.
Once again, I would like to tell thanks to Mr. Arkapudi Gandhi sir, and CEO of the captain of the ship, CEO, Mr. Manish Kumar sir.
Mm.
And I will try to utilize this opportunity. I would like to thanks to each and everyone who is participating in this course. I mean, to my friends also. Thank you so much for this
Yeah.
golden opportunity. I'm really happy and I'm learning well. I will try to tell all about this Heisa Academy in my further days. Also, I will try to join all my colleagues.
Mm.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rajvi. I mean, it was a very much needed and very appreciable words for everybody in the Heist Academy. And yes, such nice words always motivates us to keep doing the good, job. And I'm very glad that you are very committed for utilizing this time, because, as you said, this is an opportunity. This is not just like it doesn't matter it is a free or a paid, because we all are doing, trying to do as much as we all can do and offer to people for building up a good and strong career. And this is all I can say, and my good wishes. And as I always say, I mean, there should be willingness. If you are sincere about it, I mean, success will come to you. All right.
Thank you,
So,
ma'am. Thank you
thank you
so
so
much.
much. Thank you.
Good evening. I am Pujita Siddham Shetty and I am a BSc student from St. Anne's Degree College for Women, Mallapur. I am basically from Hyderabad. It is from my college staff from whom I came to know about the HEIST training and placements. Very soon in the month of April 2021, I joined for 2 courses. One of them is data science and other is UI UX. Data science is for morning session and UI UX is the evening session. The trainers for data science is Sri Lakshmi ma'am, and for UI UX it is Murthy sir. The trainers are very good qualified and they are very supportive and teaching us every concept with good and easy techniques, so that every student will be able to learn it very quickly and easily understandable way. It is a good opportunity for all the students to achieve a great success in their career with good job offers provided by HEIST placement and trainings. I would like to thank HEIST team, especially Arkapudi Gandhi sir, who took an initiative to train 600 students in the just span of 3 months, and my trainers, and especially the founder and CEO Manish sir, and also my coordinators to give us this opportunity to build a great future with success. And thank you everyone for giving me this chance.
Yeah, please
Thank
continue.
you.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning to all of you. First of all, I am saying heartfully thanks to ISA Academy and coordinators. I am Adina Nande. I am studying MCA final year in Vikramasinghe University in Nellore, but I am staying in Hyderabad. Now I am saying to ISA Academy, this platform is very useful to me. Why means now I am developer. I want to become a developer, web developer. So I choose this way. So my friend recommended to me. So that's why I joined this last month. So I learn HTML, CSS. I know a little bit information. When I joined the HISA Academy UI and UX, it is useful to me. Why means every day I spend at least 2 hours. Last time I spent only half an hour or 30 minutes exactly. I spent at that HTML, CSS. But today I'm using frankly 2 hours, minimum 2 hours I practice. So like every day I complete my task. So this what course actually lots of courses available in HISA Academy like Java, spoken English, communication, and UI and UX placements also. So placements also everyone use. It is best for us. Why means um, we want to become a job profile, right? So that's why we are using. So definitely I will use and I will become a developer. So that is I am frankly I believe myself. So thanks to HISA Academy and trainers. So actually I don't know who are coordinators, but I'm saying heartfully thanks to Srikanth sir and Sakshi sir. By means they are providing lots of time to us. So this
Sure.
this thing.
Sure.
Thank you so much to everyone. Definitely I will use and I utilize every opportunity. Definitely I will become a developer. That is my dream. So my dream is Django developer. So that's why Django developer is useful to like front end and back end and database. So front end is most important, like HTML, CS, and JavaScript, and Bootstrap also. So it is a free of cost providing HISA Academy. So that's why I'm using every day. So practice is most important. Sir already every day tell practice is most important. So if you practice regularly, it is useful or it is useful for us. That's it, my friends. So if you want to become anything, any type of job, practice is most important to us. That is guys, that is friends, that is sons. So I'm saying heartfully thanks to uh, HISA Academy team and Gandhi sir. I mean, sorry, I don't know. Akapudi Gandhi sir garu. I don't know exactly name, but I think
Sure.
so. Thank you so much, sir, and team who are spending lots of time to us. Thank you. I'm saying heartfully thanks to you. and your coordinators. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for your feedback, Narayana. Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
very, very good. Yeah, who is going to be next? Yeah, anyone can continue.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah, please continue.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. My name is Chaitanya. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my MCA in 2010 from Andhra Mahila School of Informatics, that is from OU University. And I came to know about the HACE placements through my friend. These HACE placements and Arkapudi Gandhi Garu has taken a great initiative for the students, actually for providing a free training which in different domains like DM, content writing, UX, UI, and Java testing, improving communication skills and interview skills. And in this training also include what are the working on a live projects, internships, and also job assistance, main thing. And HACE Placements is providing this free of cost. I have joined in UX and UI course in the morning section. The training is very supportive, and that we can understand everything easily, and it is useful for everyone who are seeking for the job actually. So I'm heartfully thanking to give this opportunity for me for HACE Placements and also Arkapudi Gandhi Garu. That's it. Thank you.
Yes. Yeah, thanks for your words. So who is next? Yeah. Please.
Sir,
Go.
Mahendra here.
Yeah, please continue.
Yes.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Sir, my
Yeah.
service-
Yeah, please continue.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. My name is Mahendra. I'm from Hyderabad. నేను గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ కంప్లీట్ చేశాను 2020లో. గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్
Okay.
కంప్లీట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మా ఫ్రెండ్ రెఫర్ చేశాడు, హైయెస్ట్ ప్లేస్మెంట్ అని చెప్పేసి జాబ్ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇస్తుంది అని చెప్పేసి చెప్పారు. అప్పుడు గ్రూప్ లో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. దాదాపు జాయిన్ అయ్యి కూడా 6 months అవుతుంది. 6 months లో వాళ్ళు చాలా ట్రైనింగ్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేశారు. లాస్ట్ టైం నాకు కాల్ వచ్చింది హైయెస్ట్ ప్లేస్మెంట్ నుంచి, ఇట్లా ఫ్రీగా యూఎక్స్ యూఐ అండ్ జావా, కంటెంట్ రైటింగ్, స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీద మేము ఫ్రీగా కోర్సెస్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము, మీకు ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఉందా అని చెప్పేసి అడిగారు. వాళ్ళు నాతో కాంటాక్ట్ అయిన విధానం కానీ అన్ని కానీ చాలా బాగున్నాయి. నేను యూఎక్స్ఐ గ్రూప్ అంటే కోర్సులో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. వాళ్ళు ఫ్రీగా ట్రైనింగ్ అండ్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్, లైవ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్, సర్టిఫికేషన్ ఇవ్వడం అనేది చాలా మంచి ఆపర్చునిటీ. రియల్ గా నేను థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తున్నాను హైయెస్ట్ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్కి, ఎందుకంటే నేను చాలా 2-3 అకాడమీస్ అండ్ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ కూడా నేను చూశాను. దాంట్లో దాదాపు ఒక చాలా వరకు పెయిడ్ వర్కే ఉన్నాయి. ఫ్రీగా ఇవ్వడం అనేది చాలా మంచి విషయం. అండ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ విధానం గురించి చెప్పాలంటే చాలా బాగా ఇస్తున్నారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ శశి సార్. ఎవ్రీ కంటెంట్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ చాలా క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నారు. అండ్ థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ హైయెస్ట్ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ అండ్ అరకపురి గాంధీ గారు, ఎందుకంటే ఇంత మంచి కోర్సెస్ ని అందరికి స్టూడెంట్స్ కి ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నందుకు వెరీ థ్యాంక్స్. ఇంకా చెప్పాలి అంటే చాలా మంచి ఆపర్చునిటీ నాకు ఇది, ఎందుకంటే నేను ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ డెవలపర్ గా ఎదగాలని, అంటే ఆ జాబ్ చేయాలని నాకు చాలా ప్యాషన్ ఉంది. కాకపోతే కొంచెం ఫినాన్షియల్ గా సపోర్ట్ లేకపోవడం వల్ల నేను ఏ అకాడమీలో కానీ నార్మల్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్లో కానీ జాయిన్ కాలేకపోయాను. కానీ హైయెస్ట్ ప్లేస్మెంట్ నాకు ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇచ్చింది. నేను డెఫినెట్గా దాన్ని యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాను. అండ్ ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ డెవలపర్ జాబ్ కొడతాను నాకైతే నమ్మకం ఉంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ హైయర్ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ అండ్ అనంతపురి గాంధీ గారు అండ్ ఆల్సో టీమ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. దట్స్ ఇట్.
Yeah, thank you, Either. Okay, so we covered 3 feedbacks. So I think at least 1 or 2 more. Yeah, I think Sudhakar. Yeah, please continue.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. My name is Sudhakar. I am from Bangalore. I completed BCA, which is in Bangalore University in 2018. And presently, I got about the details with my friend. I thought it is a fake or something. They are getting time pass like that. After joining the class and each day, I just understood it is genuine and everything. Teaching is good to develop the peoples to get the job. And yeah, and I want to thank the size placement who is working behind this, and everyone is thankful. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hope
I'm very
you
nervous about this because I'm
hope you are following the sessions and you're on track with the content. So just keep practicing. So
yes, sir, sure, sir, definitely. My goal is to get some reputed company to get a job with a good salary. For that reason, definitely I will work hard. Yeah, sure, I will
Sure.
continue every section. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Sure. Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay, anyone else? Yeah, just one more at least. Yeah, if you are done, so we can start the session. So as you know, this recording is requested by High Placements itself. So it will be useful for them as part of feedback. So they understand like how useful these sessions are, and so it will be like a motivation for them. So they are doing a good job, and also it is helping many people in learning the latest technologies. So yeah, definitely it's very good initiative, and I'm happy to be part of this initiative. I thank Mr. Srikanth who has offered me uh, this opportunity, and also I thank High Placement Academy, so who is conducting all these
Hello.
training courses.
Yeah, you are very audible to everyone.
Hi everyone, I am Saraswati Rajavari. I completed my MTech and now I am due to Corona, so I become a jobless. So now I want to become a technical content writer. So firstly I want to thank you so much for HiSay for giving this golden opportunity to the students who is unemployed people like me, and I am very thankful to HiSay standing beside student in this hard situation. Neha ma'am is great ma'am. Actually, I am very happy in the class. Classes are very interesting, and she delivers amazing lecturers, and she is very supportive. And I never expect. I thought actually people will think if it is a free means they will deliver um, worthless. Uh, studies like that. So I thought, but after joining, after starting learning content writing from Neha ma'am, I really feeling so happy, and I got so much confidence. And here I learned what is the importance of content writing. And ma'am told us which to write content writing without any errors. Here I learned how tones of writing, and the strategic content writing, non-strategic content writing. And so day by day I'm improving myself. I really got hope I will become a content writer
Of
soon.
course.
Thanks for providing this great opportunity. Thank you once again, Haise, and thank you, Neha ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Saras. And I will keep this in mind that you are specifically looking for technical content writing field. So in later lectures, I will provide you the tools and the tips what are being used in the industry for technical writing. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
okay, no issues. All right.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is Steiner Sairam. I am glad to be a part of HICE, that I'm associated with HICE from past 2 months. And I'm so glad I could see a lot of people who are like struggling hard to pay the fees, but they are here learning for free. Completely everyone are learning into like we are teaching them in like digital marketing. The HICE is teaching in digital marketing aspects as well as IT, non-IT, interview skills, and all each and everything they are teaching. I'm so happy that I'm a part of HICE. And when it comes to me, I'm a digital trainer. I've been in the digital marketing field for more than past 3 years, and I'm in the teaching field from teaching in the digital marketing field from past 1 year. So I'm glad I could see all the students are so energetic and so responsive with their time and effort. So this is a brief about me, and now I would like to pass it over to Tejashwini, and I would like to take our feedback.
Good morning. My name is Tejaswini. I am from Digital Marketing Morning Batch. I got this opportunity from HICE Placements Academy. Thank you, Manish sir, and thank you, Arikapudi Gandhi Garu, for giving me this opportunity to learn and to build my career in this field. Thank you, HICE and Arikapudi Gandhi Garu. HICE given placement assurity also and have charged not even single rupee. So I thankful to this academy and also Arikapudi Gandhi Garu. Thank you so much. And also Sairam sir, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Now I would like to ask Subhi to speak out.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Subhi Shavaja. I'm from Digital Marketing Morning Batch. I came across this HICE placement and service via Nirman, and I think this HICE is giving us a good opportunity in the field of marketing. In this tough time, no one is going to give such a free thing which HICE is providing us. So I really appreciate that, and I personally thanks to Mr. Balina Sairam, our digital marketing trainer. I think he is one of the best digital marketing trainer that I come across. Like before, I approached many trainers, like while going to the institutes or some of my friends also. But the skills that sir is having are really awesome, and whatever he is teaching, like it is very easy to grasp, and it helps us in building our career in an efficient way. Thank you.
Thank you, Subhi. Thank you, everyone. Santosh, you can start.
Hello, sir. Good evening. I am Santosh Kumar. So, right from starting onwards, while attending the HICE, I thought like it was there was a session which we need to pay for that, but I came to know that it is a free of cost. I I thank the HICE for giving this wonderful opportunity to utilize this all courses, not only digital marketing. HICE will provide a different courses, digital marketing and content writing, communication skills, and MS Office, and many more. But there was a highlights of this HICE are there will be a feedback, and there will be interactive, and free of cost. These are the highlights of this HISE Training Academy. But I will appreciate this HISE Academy because it is providing all this with free of cost. Not only these courses, but also training and internship along with placement. So I hope we are very lucky to having these courses. And coming to digital marketing, there are every class I left with clear mind that without any doubts, and there will be a homework for every day. So for digital marketing, it is necessary to do that. So thank you for giving me opportunity to share my feedback. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Santosh. Yeah, you can start.
Hello, my name is Sekat. I am from West Bengal. Basically, 2020 I completed my graduation. After that, I found a lot of opportunities, but still I not face any opportunities. One day I found in YouTube about HISE, and they are offering lots of free course like digital marketing, Java, and lots of computer language course and many more. And I joined digital marketing course. Guys, you can believe and join this course. This course are and teacher and mentors all are very good, and they provide lot of good classes and good knowledge. Every day they will provide you home tasks and homework. You will do this and learn many more things about lots of knowledge and lots of new things. So I prefer you please join the course. And also one more thing, I want to thank HISE that giving me this opportunity for free of cost. Thank you, HISE.
Good evening. This is Muhammad Mukarram Ali here from Mehdipatnam, Hyderabad. HISE is trying to create a very good platform in this pandemic so that the people can learn where the world is going, like on the e-platforms, because in future I believe everything will have to move on the e-platform. So HISE is creating a very good platform. They are trying to create a very good system so that the people can follow and earn money online. And talking about the course, our faculty is very good, and his way of teaching style is very good, very understandable way. And even if we have any doubts, he is again teaching from back square one to till the end process. Thank you.
Start. Start.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. And good evening, guys. This is Meghana. I'm from Miryalguda. I'm learning HISE Academy from 2 months ago. This HISE Academy providing us very great opportunity. It's we are learning more and more skills. In market, this is a too much of course, but we are learning here very like a free course. This is providing very wonderful opportunity for us, and this all facilities are providing by the Arkapudi Gandhi Garu, where I am very thankful to Arkapudi Gandhi Garu and HISE Academy. And here we are learning so much of things. The HISE Academy faculty, like our digital marketing sir and the Java sir, were teaching us very well. Very thankful to the HISE Academy and my sirs. Thank you, sir.
You can start.
Hi everyone, this is Haima from Hyderabad. I think I'm one of the fan of HISE placements, and Sairam sir also. Regarding HISE placements, it is very good for people and society to utilize their opportunities like free of cost. I think I have seen a lot of people got the jobs and got their knowledge, gain their knowledge with their offering courses like Java, digital marketing, and other courses. And in this pandemic, this situation, it's a very good opportunity to utilize the people, to utilize this opportunity. And the courses also very understandable way. And thank you so much, Sir Manish sir and other staff, and Gandhi Garu also. And about Sairam sir, he's very patient. I think I did not see like this guy. He's very patient. Thank you so much, sir, for everything. Thank you so much. Thank you all.
Start.
Firstly, good evening, everyone. I'm from Ramantapur. First, I got about the highs from my friend's status. First, I thought that free of cost telling about all the courses means maybe it's be a work or not. I felt, but when I joined the sessions, I felt like how these people are giving so much quality training about the sessions very freely, and the support also very good, and the rules and regulations also very good. And coming to digital marketing, I'm completely new about the course. A small request is that I'm completely new now. Like me, some people may know about digital marketing and may not. But I'm expecting like some more clear about the other topics. Like if you say any new word, some people may get, some people may not. But some people may not rise. Didn't get, I get. So if we get also, not get also, get, we want some clear word, like word to word brief. And apart from that, in the starting, we made so much torture to all the HR people and the sir also. We are going asking the questions, what this sir, please tell, please share, what is we not getting classes, we so much disturbed. But even though the sir and ma'am patiently, they made settings about the classes like the Zoom or the Google Meet, and made the correct and proper maintenance right now. So we're happy to get the classes regularly, and thank you.
Hello everyone, a very good evening. I'm Vasavi. I'm from Jagityal. Recently, I completed my graduation in 2020. Before joining for my masters, I have to learn and update my skills in some like digital marketing and content writing. So that's why searching for a free course where I can able to get a good knowledge and experience. While I'm searching, my sir is referred this HICE Academy. So I registered our Manish sir, and he said said about it. I have joined in this course. Recently, I have completed 1 month of digital marketing course. Now I joined in the content. I'm expecting more, which I'm able to learn, and I can explore my knowledge in future in this world where I can build my digital marketing knowledge and content writing, which helps me bright future. That's what I wish. Thank you.
And so far, what have you
Thank you,
learned?
ma'am.
So far, what have you learned in the content writing classes? Because if you let's just
Content writing type.
your voice is not audible. What was it?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, yes, I can hear you. All right, I think there is some network issue at your end. Okay, so Neha, can we listen you and about your experience now?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am, am I audible?
yeah, you are audible.
Okay.
There is a lot of wind noise coming from your background. I think your fan is making this noise.
Oh, now, ma'am.
Yeah, better, better, better.
Okay, ma'am. Very good evening, ma'am.
Good
Very
evening.
good evening to all my co-participants. This is Neha. I am pursuing my BTech final year in Srivastava Engineering College, and I am from Tanuku. Now, I would like to share some views about HICE Academy and also the content writing class. While I was searching for off-campus recruitment in my BTech life, I came across this HICE placement, and I joined and I became the coordinator for content writing. Firstly, I thought that it will help in my essay writing skills where I can enhance my skills. But later on, I came to know that the content writing class can create uh, it helpful in my creative ideas to improve my knowledge and other. Uh,
Okay.
and also being a coordinator for me, it is very difficult to manage the classes and also for part-time work job also. But high placements mm, are taking care of me and they are motivating me in every aspect.
Okay.
Uh, that's it, ma'am.
So, how is your overall experience about the training, and how would you recommend this same training to other students who are looking for a great career in the field of content writing?
Okay, ma'am. Many people think that only journalists needs to know about the content writing as they are need to write the writing work and all at all. But being a student also, it will be helpful in interview skills also, as we can improve our knowledge regarding the outsources. And next day, madam explained about using the canvas so that we can edit the templates and we can add our ideas to those templates and we can
Create the
improve
social
our
media
skills.
graphics basically. You can create your own graphics using.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
For creating posters
Yeah. Yeah.
like that, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you, Neha. Thank you for sharing your views.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Yeah, hi, good evening. My name is Punachanda, and I I was a student in the Heights Academy. It's like how I got the Heights Academy was previously I have done with a number of job applications. In that way, in an accident, I have even applied for the Heights. I don't know. I was applying for a number of companies. And for training and placement, HICE has provided a platform. So I have registered for it. And what HICE is providing for us was it is providing a large amount of job opportunities as well as a free coaching for the students who are willing to take. And that, and also not only the coaching, they were also providing some internship opportunities and part-time jobs too. Like and everything was totally free of cost. And in that, I am taking the UI and UX, which was very awesome for me. Like basically, I'm from electrical background. I don't know any programming language. I'm null with the programming language, and I was taking the course of the web development, that is UI and UX, from Mr. Murthy sir from the HICE Academy, and the sessions were very interactive. Like although we don't know anything, he is explaining in such a manner that very clearly. If we have any doubt, if we ask him, he will definitely solve it. And the opportunity provided by the HICE for us was awesome. Free of cost and job opportunities and also income sources. And thank you for that. Thank you.
So, good morning, good evening to one and all. Can I start,
Yeah,
sir?
good evening, Shubhi. Yeah. Start, Shubhi. You can go ahead.
Yes. Good evening to one and all. My name is Subhuhi Shavajaha and I am from Hyderabad. I completed my graduation from Shadhan Men's College of Engineering and Technology. I am from computer science background. Actually, one of my friend has suggested me this high placement and service. She said that she suggested me that HICE is giving a free certification course for many different fields in computer science. Like we have digital marketing.
Shall I start, sir?
Yeah. Start, Chandana.
Okay, sir. Good evening. I'm Chandana. I'm BSc student from St. Anne's Degree College for Women, Malapur. I'm from Hyderabad. Actually, this high placement was given by our college staff, college lecturers, and in this April 2021, I have joined in the high placement training. Actually, I offer two courses. One is data science in the morning section and UI UX in the evening section, which were offered by the HICE. I'm very happy to be a part of HICE. The courses are very helpful, and the trainers are very supportive, and the way of explaining is very good, and the way of explaining are in easy techniques, and it is the best place to all the students to achieve a great success in the career. Uh, and offers provided by the HICE placements training. So I thank HICE Placement for giving this opportunity to build our future successful. Thank you, sir.
Hi guys, this is Arshini. I'm graduated in 2019 from KPIT College. I'm from electrical background, so completely I don't have any knowledge of the software courses and all. So I have joined with HICE in October. Since then, it was a big journey with HICE Academy. So I know a lot of students after their BTech, they struggle to get a job due to lack of skills. So the ultimate solution is to join an institute where, which can provide them the skill set required for the jobs. So regarding the trainers and my personal experience, so academy is very nice. So the trainers here are very well experienced, and they have well knowledge. Along with the theoretical knowledge, they also have practical knowledge. So since October, I took many courses like data science, and then I have gone with digital marketing and full stack. Now in April, I started taking testing, data science, and UI UX designing again. So, and then further also, I want to continue to take many other courses with HICE Academy. And the things which differ HICE Academy from other academies is their way of teaching is very good, and the faculty are very well experienced and well knowledge. And also in ICE Academy, they are providing job assistance, certification, and internship programs. And then regarding this, I thank Kapuri Gandhi Garu and Manishar for giving me the opportunity to attend the classes because some of the institutions they are not allowing working professionals to take the classes. So here it is not like that. Everyone is getting equal opportunity here, and the training quality here is very good. And I hope in future I will refer my friends and other students to join the academy and to gain knowledge from the professors. And also, I'm very much thankful to the academy for providing me such training because I even don't know what is this Python coding, but I have learned data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning from the Ravi Kumar sir. I'm really thankful to. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Good evening, sir, and my dear friends. Myself, Anusha. I completed my BTech in the Kshatriya Engineering College in the year 2019. I worked in the Apollo Microsystem Limited company for the last 6 months in the marketing department. Due to pandemic situation, I lost my job. A few lines how I came to this institute. One of my friend told about this high placements. So I searched about the high placement. So I joined in 2020 in the November batch only. Coming to our trainer point of view, we got a wonderful trainer for our Java code, that is our Bharat sir. First of all, everyone will fear about Java codes. Through our Bharat sir, we are learning everything. Not only me, my friends also. Bharat sir will clarify every point to point doubts. He will teach us from low level standard to high level standard because every fresher can also understand. Thank you, Bharat sir, for your wonderful explanation. We never forget about your explanation in our lives.
Hi all, this is Saumirani. I am basically from Karnataka, Raichur, and I have completed my Electronics and Communication Engineering from Government Engineering College, Raichur in 2020. Once after completing my engineering, I was quite confused about my career in this pandemic situation. Especially my parents were so scared about this situation and that they denied me to move away from the home. And they are not about to send me away to shape my career. And their way of thinking is also correct, but me as a graduate sitting simply in the home is not much good, as much they let me to stay in the home. And once on searching, I got a message in one of the old group, where Manesh sir, the CEO of HICE Academy, sent a message regarding this wonderful opportunity, that is the free training sessions on number of fields like Java testing, MS Office, interview preparation, and few others, and etc. And I got this message in about April initial days. I took a step ahead, and that made me really happy to join these sessions. Now I'm one among the hundreds of students. And I'm in Java and testing classes also. Really, these two classes are going like how I attend the regular actual offline classes. Means not getting bored to learn through mobiles. And these are really a wonderful sessions. In Java classes, Bharat sir and Ari sir, they were always supporting us and answering each and every questions of us. We always disturb them by asking doubts, but never getting irritated. Bharat sir and Hari sir were always responding us, and getting these kind of teachers is also rare, and we are grateful for sirs. We in free of cost and sitting in home got such a beautiful opportunity to learn. This is just because of HICE Academy, Manesh sir, Hari sir, Bharat sir, and all other behind these pleasant classes. I would like to send a plenty of thanks to you, sirs, for providing such an opportunity and a platform to learn and making us interview prepared candidates, and especially a chance to speak out feelings about HICE. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Gave a nice opportunity to tell some words about HICE technology. It is a very
One moment.
nice
Sorry.
academy.
One moment. Good evening.
Shall we start with good evening?
Count three.
Good evening, all. A nice opportunity to tell something about HICE Academy. Here I joined with one of my friend referred here. For internship purpose, I joined here because I have experience in teaching. After that, I like to join as a software industry. So it is a very nice opportunity they gave. Then I have to thank the sponsor of Arkapudi Gandhi. He is a wonderful person. He only sponsored this nice opportunity. It is very useful to us, and I have to thank our sir, testing staff. very nice session is handling. And one more thing, we are very happy to join here because his teaching is very well and very good. We are understanding very excellently his teaching each and every topics, and we are happy to join here as an intern. Thank you, sir.
I'm Kishan Reddy from Siddipet. I am preparing for competitive exams, but if I don't clear my exams, what is next? That's why I decided to go for software courses. I completed my BTech in the stream of EC. At present, I don't have coding knowledge. First, I want to join in testing batch. I got to know about ICE from Telegram group. I joined in this course. Our Telangana government whip Arkapudi Gandhi Garu has provided a wonderful opportunity to student who doesn't have money to learn software courses freely in this pandemic situation. Many of them are jobless. It will be useful to them. Last, our trainer Harish sir is saying everything very clear and is giving more examples on subject. So finally, thankful to Harish team and Gandhi Garu.
Hi, मैं श्रीकांत फ्रॉम एमसीए आई हैव कंप्लीटेड मैंने एमसीए कंप्लीट किया है और 20 साल ये पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में मुझे एक मैसेज मिला कि ऐसे प्लेसमेंट्स है उनकी तरफ से फ्री एजुकेशन में आपको बहुत सारे कोर्सेज सिखाए जाएंगे करके। तो ये ऐसी सिचुएशन है कि बहुत सारे लोगों के पास पैसा नहीं है और उनको सीखना है, तो इसके लिए मैं ऐसे टीम का बहुत बड़ा शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ और साथ में ही मैं गांधी सर का भी शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ कि ये अपॉर्चुनिटी उनकी वजह से हमको मिली है एंड थैंक यू सर।
Good evening, everyone present over here. I am Solipuram Shravani, studying degree final year at St. Anne's Degree College for Women, Malapur. I stay in Hyderabad. In this pandemic situation, as a final year student, I was very confused that what to do in this situation, as I am going to complete my studies, because this is a situation where we can't go to any training centers or coaching centers outside. At that time, I heard about the high placements from one of my friends, that they are providing the free training about 600 plus students, and that too without any fee. So I thought it will be a better opportunity for me, and without thinking anything, I have registered, and I believe that they will provide us the best training. And after attending the classes more than a week, they stood at a level more than I thought. As it is a free training, just they can complete the topics and they can leave the class, but they didn't do that. I can feel like my college, how my lecturers will teach us in the same way. Here, the lecturers or teachers or sirs, they are teaching very well, and the care they are showing towards the students are very good. I would like to thank my testing trainer Harish sir. Really, to be frank, sir is a very good trainer. He explains each and everything in a point of freshers, so they can understand each and everything in a better way. As I'm a fresher, now I'm studying, still I'm studying. When I joined the classes, I am little bit feared because this is a testing. I don't have any knowledge in this. So there is nothing to fear. I can say to the new persons also that they will provide you a better knowledge. Without any doubt, you can join. So I would like to thank Harish sir. And at last, I would like to thank High Placements and Arkapudi Gandhi Garu for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to learn in this pandemic situation for free. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Pawan Katta and I am from Guntur. I am pursuing my graduation finally in Statistics and Computer Science. I came across about HICE placements through APSS DC portal in March regarding the information about 3 months training in different domains of IT and non-IT sectors. Therefore, upon internship and job assistance at free of cost, I have opted for Java morning session and evening UI and data science classes. The classes are going on well. It was interesting to start my morning something with new content and wind up my day something by gaining new knowledge. So I would like to thank our trainers, Mr. Murthy sir, Mr. Bharat sir, and Ms. Sri Lakshmi ma'am for providing such a wonderful content with us and sharing their knowledge to help to clear our doubts, and Mr. Akapudi Gandhi sir for taking an initiative step which was helpful to the youth, and the whole team of HICE Academy for conducting a program for conducting such a great program in a sequential and better way under our favorable timings. So once again I am thankful for being a part of this program and giving an opportunity to share my feelings and express my gratitude towards you. Thank you. Have an amazing and grateful day to you
I
all.
greet you all. My name is Shravani. I am from Kadapa. I am pursuing BTech third year in Computer Science Engineering from IIIT Ongole. I got know through my friend about HICE placement. She told me that HICE placements are providing free training for students in various domains like digital marketing, data science, content writing, testing, MS Office, MS Excel, UI UX, communication and interview skills. Firstly, I thank to Mr. Akapudi Gandhi Garu and Mr. Manish sir for providing free training to us in this COVID pandemic time. I'm so happy to be part of HICE Academy. I'm attending interview skills and UI UX courses. For interview skills, our trainer is Surya sir. He is teaching very well. He is clarifying everyone's doubt. He is making our session very interactive. Before joining the training, I am not sure about myself, how to speak and introduce myself. Now I am clear. For UI UX, our trainer is Murthy sir. I like his way of teaching. He is teaching everything from the scratch. He is explaining each and every concept very nicely. Anyone can attend these courses who doesn't have idea about it. They can easily understand because the way of teaching of HICE Academy is very nice. At last, I thank to Mr. Akapudi Gandhi Garu, HICE Placements, all my trainers and coordinators for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah. So welcome everyone. So this is the HTML course I'm teaching. So as part of UI UX batch. Okay. So for all the attendees, so yes, can you please share your experience with HICE Academy? So what is your opinion on HICE Academy and what is your experience so far about the HICE placements? Yeah, anyone can answer. Only one. Or probably the coordinators. Yeah. Just
Hi
please.
sir, I'm Mahinder.
Yeah, Mahinder. So what is your opinion on HICE placements?
Has been giving a great opportunity for us.
Okay.
Actually, we learn a lot from you people.
Okay.
Thank you for giving this opportunity to us.
Sure.
A great opportunity. Yes, placement. Teaching also good, and we believe highest placement. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So you feel your overall experience is good.
Yes, yes. Good, sir.
Okay. And how do you like how do you rate the trainers in general?
Trainers, I give 4, sir.
Okay. So you're able to follow the all classes and understand the concepts.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. That's great to know. That's great to know. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank
So
you.
yeah, it's a great initiative. So according to my opinion, it's a very great initiative to train the freshers so that yeah they'll be ready for applying to jobs, and especially during this pandemic, so learning online has become a more priority, And so Heights Academy is doing a great job in teaching the newcomers so that they'll be job ready and acquiring all the in-demand skills in the market. So I feel I feel pleasure to train the students. So I feel very delighted to teach them. So it's my experience so far. Yeah, I have been enjoying to training the students, and it's very delightful experience. And anyone else can speak about the Heights placements and your experience in general. Yeah, anyone can speak.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone.
Yeah, you
This
don't
is
need
Sudhir.
to. Yeah, you don't need to turn on the video. So just yeah, you can.
Yeah, sorry, sir. Good morning, everyone. This is Sudhir. I'm a coordinator of UI UX, second coordinator. I've done my graduation in 2019. This is a great opportunity by Highest Placement regarding the jobs. In this pandemic, most of the people are losing job. For fresher, it is difficulty to get a job. By the Highest Academy, we are getting a good opportunity to train our skills and getting a job. It's a easy way. And thank you for the trainers. Shashi sir, thank you sir for giving a good lectures in UI UX, and it's uh, best things we are learning from you. Thank you for it, sir. And also thanks for Manish sir for helping me in helping us in learning the skills. That's it, sir. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, that's great review. Very happy to know.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, my only suggestion is just please be regular to the class.
I am Vamsi, and I knew a link from my friend given Highest Placements link. Highest Placements is not a placement provider; it is a good teaching provider also. Highest Placements providing several teaching courses for a engineer students who are passed out and who are studying. And Highest Placements is providing several courses like spoken English and Microsoft Micro Excel and interview skills and several courses like Java, Python, data science, UI, UX, and several things. In data science class, from starting onwards, for a non-IT students should also learn a Python course, very helpful for a non-IT students also. The teaching process is very good, and the fluency and all the things, the communicating with students and providing doubts, asking questions and interviewing, and they are helping more and more. One, I am requesting you one suggestion from Highest Placements is in data science, we are missing some classes due to more number, making more helpful to us. Thank you, man.
Yeah. Yes, you can.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Nandakishore. I have been selected for the Highest Placement Data Science program. Nowadays, employability is been problematic in our country because people are having lack of skills. But Highest Placements providing such a good opportunity for the people who are lacking the skills to get a good job. It providing Excel, MS Office, and data science, Python, and many more technical skills. They are providing not only providing training, but also providing some internships, and after that, providing also some part-time works like recruiting and all those things. I would like to express my deep gratitude towards HICE placement. Thank you.
My name is Vinay Kumar. I am from Hyderabad, and recently I got to know about HICE placements. HICE placements under the leadership of Gandhi Garu. They are providing training in the field of data science, data management, and UI, and as well as Java and many such other courses. So they have taken a good initiative to provide us with the best of the training and to make a best to use our time, best utilize our time in the time of the COVID. So, and I have opted for the data science course, and my experience regarding the program is very good, and all the staff members and trainers, they are supporting us in each and every corner in a very good way, and I hope that I will use all the training to make a success in my career. And I would like to thank you each and everybody to give this who has given this opportunity to share my experience. And I would like to um, recommend high placements to my friends and who are willing to have a upgrade their skills. Thank you, ma'am.
Each and everyone. My name is Abhinav. I am from Varangal. I know about this ICE placement from my friend, but when he told, I haven't believed, because free of cost today in this pandemic session, there may be any cost I have expected, but when I have joined, it is true that there is no cost, and I have enrolled for data science. I everyone should I will refer to everyone who has no employment in this pandemic time, and I will thank to each and everyone who are in HICE placement, and especially CEO of HICE placement Mahesh sir and RK Gandhi Garu. And the HICE placement will give not only training, but also every Saturday it will give IT jobs, and every Sunday it will take non-IT jobs. In IT there are Python, Java, UI, etc. And in non-IT there will be there will be MS Office and etc. Not only this, they will tell how to crack the interviews every evening. I have joined in that also from 3 to 4, and they will also tell how to build a resume. I especially thankful to CEO of HYSC HYSC placements, Mahesh Garu, and RK Gandhi Garu, and also team of HYSC placement. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity.
You can, ma'am.
So very good evening to one and all. Myself is John Kotesh. I am from Guntur district. I completed my MTech from Limat Institute of Management and Technology. I came to know about HICE placements and regarding this HICE team.